Good afternoon, guys.
Hey, friend. What kind of new gadgets and gizmos do you have these days you can tell me about?
Here at the Miami Boat Show, we're showing the IC-M510 EVO. It is an evolution of the M510s that we were looking at earlier on the dock today. The M510s that we were looking at is a two-piece configuration, with this being an option of whether you wanted it integrated into the Enemy A2000 bus or if you wanted foghorn or hailer. A lot of them are just standalone. The feedback that we received is a great concept, but we would really like it in one box that we can install very quick, very easy. So with that, we're introducing the M510 EVO, or the evolution of the product, to where it is a one-piece configuration, Enemy A2000 jack on the back, as well as foghorn and hailer on it.
So you still have the two options now. You have the one-piece option, and then you have over there still the two-piece option now.
That is correct.
That's really, really cool. One of my favorite things about ICOM is how they really listen to the feedback from the installers and even the customers as well.
Yeah, the customers definitely told us they love this look and feel. For the display, we did what many of them were talking about, the black glass installation, so everything is just completely flush with it.